Hello everyone, this is Rob with Auto Sales Unlimited, and today I've got a really special car for you today. This is a 2002 Mazda Protégé 5. I'm going to do a walk around and startup of this vehicle. Comes in this very bright yellow color. What I think about is everything's original. So you got the original wheels on it that have the little Mazda logo. I love the color, it's bright and very happy. I love this body style because it's got the large round fog lights. It gives it that rally look, even though this isn't a rally car. Once again, the wheels are very recent, really new. And it's this 5, which the 5 stands for 5-door. The seats, this car is in really nice condition. Has a sunroof. The dash is in very good shape. Floors are nice. Power windows. It's got a roof rack up top. Coming back to the back side here, the door cards are really nice. The seats are in really good condition. Floors are good. Coming to the back here, it's running right now, which is fine. I got the heat going. Really big cargo space in the back. And what I love about these cars are so cool back in the day, and I think they still are. Got a little lip spoiler there with your third brake light up tucked underneath it. I really love this car, and it's sitting here purring away right now. Let's open them up. Once again, the door cards look good. Nothing's really messed up. Power windows. You got your window lockout. You got your mirrors. The seat is in really good condition. Just really nice. Let's shake off. It's raining a little bit today. Come in. The heater works really nice. Somebody took care of this car because it's all correct. It's all pieced together really nice. No one's chopped it up or anything like that. Does have taller miles, but you know, it's a 2002, quite a while ago. 234,638,000 miles on it. No dash lights except my seatbelt because I'm not wearing one at the moment. You've got your lights and you got your fog lights down here. You've got your dash lights when your lights are on. Everything glows red. I really like that. You've got your cruise control down here, stock stereo, climate control down below, some cup holders, some things that you don't see from the past anymore. You got a cigarette lighter, and you do have, you know, an ashtray that you use for coins now. Automatic transmission. The dash is in really nice condition. Really a cool car. Cool little hatchback wagon type thing. I love it. So this is available right now here at Auto Sales Unlimited. We have credit unions, national banks, lenders that work with bad credit and no credit, and we also do some in-house financing. So no matter what your financial situation or credit situation is, we have a lending solution for you. So give us a call, 360-273-0711, or put some comments down below. Come check out this really sporty Mazda wagon. Really a sharp little survivor from the early 2000s. Nice little gem, a little nugget from the early 2000s. Really, I just love this car. This thing is so cool. Anyways, have any questions? Give us a call. Put some comments down below. Thanks for watching.